What's up, guys? So today is a special video. It's a day off, a day in the life of an HVAC technician, business owner, whatever I title it. But it's my day off. Today is a special day for me. We're not working anything HVAC, but I like to vlog different content, different things, and just a journey in my life. And today is a big one. It's a big day. I'm proposing to my girlfriend today. So I wanted to just, in a way, document it, upload the video and something to keep, to look back on. I think about making these YouTube videos. I don't have a big following, a lot of subscribers or anything like that, but you know, I enjoy doing it, and I like documenting these things and going back maybe years from now, 5-10 years, look back at these videos. Like I see some of the videos now that were 10 years ago, and you're like, wow, you see the difference, you see the change, and it's cool, But today, I propose. The proposal is at the park, and we're gonna get everything set up, ready. That when mi amor, you arrive, everything's ready to go, looking nice. All right, let's go. Able to clean the van a little bit inside here, just kind of wipe some things down, pick some stuff up. You know, working overtime, things start to get dirty, pile up some things. So I was able to clean up a little bit, pick up some trash, wipe some of the stuff down and everything. So I'm gonna keep that motivation. I'm taking the truck out just to spray it down, take a brush to it. Also changing the oil in the truck.
Papi,
Sí, va.
hay como una cosita así de sacar filtro.
Adentro del...
Sí, en la caja.
Aquí adentro. Full maintenance, I guess, on the truck. Went to go, clean it inside, wash it at the car wash, and my dad actually had all the, he went to go get the oil, the oil filter and everything like that. So before the proposal, we did a little bit of this, we took care of the truck. We took care of the truck.
Cuidado. Está.
Se ve bien.
Tacho, pero es cómodo. No está por el lado del botón.
This is currently what Angel and I drive, 99 Civic.
Búscame otro más que hay ahí.
Uno más. Time to go to the park. Everything's pretty much set. I'm ready, I'm dressed up, ready to go. And yeah. As the time gets more near, the more anxious I get, but it's part of it, man. Let's go over there. Man, Calvin, photographer today. Yes, sir, yes, sir. No, I think she's gonna be coming right. She's gonna be coming from here.
No sé por dónde ir. Cruza por acá, me vas a tratar de esa mecha. ¿Sigo derecho? ¿Sigo? ¿Aquí?
ups and downs, but God brought me here. I am so happy, and I want to spend the rest of my life forever and ever. So, with that being said, when I said Lopez, be married.
Got my ring. Look how pretty.
Ese es mi amor, my fiance.
I'm back here.
That's good, yeah.
Hi.
Nani. Heading out to church right now. To not our church, but another church in Lancaster. We're not even.
Hazme ver como tú me ves. Hazme entender y creer sin temer.
Local, yo sentía que me iba a dar algo, ¿sabes? Porque hubo una presión y yo, Dios mío, mi nene, porque es el menor pastor, es el menor de la familia y pues en realidad pues entonces nosotros, mi esposo y yo, nos torturaban.
De parte de Dios y poder estar aquí una vez más. Me gozo de verdad, hace tiempito que no nos daban la vueltita. Cuando el negro dice, mira, va, el pastor Curtijo nos invitó y yo, qué bueno, hace tiempo que no veníamos por aquí. Y de verdad me siento bien contenta de volverlos a ver. Un beso, abrazos a toditos. Es muy linda la iglesia, de verdad que sí, buen trabajo. Dios me lo bendice 1000 veces. Negro.